Just turn around. Big turn around. I'll drop my phone in front when I come back. That's all me big. You big one more turn around. YouTube, we know no one see one more turn around too, you know. Melvin, give one more, man. John, just reverse that turn around. Turn back. Give one more go on the road and come back there.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Maybe you never see a Jamaican change at 18 speed like this before, or maybe you see it already. But hear me, I say leave a comment after you watch a video here now. We'll go up on the road with Melvin in the NASCAR edition W900, 18 speed, international now. Come we go find out where Melvin are going now. YouTube, tune in, stay tuned, TriStars, Jamaican to the world. Big up everybody, thanks for tuning in again. Hear me I say, we'll go see where Melvin are going now the international. Out and back. Stop. I'm a boss, Melvin. See that now? Look on the buttons. The grey button. YouTube, hear me saying I TriStars, you know, you don't know me and Melvin there. And as I say, Melvin, I'll give you something out of the 18 on YouTube. Hear me say, I get something out of the 18 from Melvin, you know. You see me I say, I want to see what I go on, because but then I can't there, we are going easy. So here I go on. Melvin, give me something out of the 18. To the man bad, watch it. One more. Lord, turn around then. Yeah, Lord. Alright. We just come from the mechanic, you know. You see me I say the boss just work on him truck, you don't know. Melvin first drive out. You see me I say, work on little thing, work on the truck and thing, and you don't know. At the international now. How much I need it, Melvin?
This is a 525.
525.
Yeah.
See that now? Alright.
525 IX6, that's what we can go on.
IX6. Alright, my boss. Give me something out of the 18. Start from 1 then, my boss. Give me from 1.
Oh, man. They are all money now.
Give me something with that. Take it down there, my boss. Take it down there, my boss. Take it. One more. One more. YouTube! One more time! One more time, boss! One more, boss! YouTube! Secret! Yo, just turn around. Big turn around. I'll drop my phone in front when I come back. That's all me big. We big one more turn around. YouTube, we know no one see one more turn around too, you know. Melvin, give one more, man. John, just reverse that turn around. Turn back. Give one more go on the road and come back there. Yo, the man wicked, dog. John no star. Yo, John no dog. Yo, the man that did the 18 like a knock me, dog. You want boy 80 had more gear, my youth. You hear me I say, so Jamaican did it, you know. You see me I say? The grey button aside, you know. See that now? Yo, respect for that drive out there, dog. You see me I say? We have a show what go on, you know. Alright, my boss. Respect and thanks. You hear me I say on YouTube? How was it? How was it? Leave me a comment. As I say, thanks for tuning in. Remember to share the video. Give it some like, you know what I mean? Talk about it no man. Share it to a friend, tell a friend, and then the next one tell a friend. You know how we do that thing there already. Big up myself, thanks for tuning in, and let me know if Melvin should give you another spin out of the truck, or you know, make we get some more footage of the driving, man. But him just want to rush it, so. You know what I say? But anyway, still, let me know what to think about that video. Let me know how Melvin go on. Tell me if Melvin will go on good. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, and thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, you know, try stars and check out. You know, it was a long video, but stay tuned. We have a lot more video coming out. And you don't know, it never stop. So thanks for tuning in again. Try stars. Big up. We're there. We're not going nowhere. Big up. Thanks for tuning in.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.